What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another massive super episode right here on this channel. Today we are going to look at what exactly is the data class decorator in Python. So the data class decorator introduced in Python 3.7 simplifies the creation of classes that primarily store data. It automatically generates special methods like the init, repr, and then EQ, eliminating boilerplate code and making your programs more readable. So with the data class, you can focus on defining your data structure through type annotations without implementing common class functionality yourself. So how exactly does the data class work? So the data class decorator analyzes type annotated class variables and automatically generates special methods like init, repr, and EQ based on these fields. This creates constructors and also comparison methods and eliminates repetitive boilerplate code. So let's have an example where we're gonna play around with the data class decorator, and let's see what results we got from VS Code. So here is it, bottom right, okay, a code example where you can try it out. So do want to try it out, let us know how it went and give us feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Let's move to the next video on the playlist.